In the cradle of the sun, where the golden sands lie, a lone figure rides under the endless sky, with the whispers of the past echoing through the night. The Bedouin's journey begins, guided by the starlight. Oh, the desert winds are calling through the canyons wide and deep, with the stories of the ancients in the silence secrets keep. Underneath the moon's soft glow, where the shadows dance and sway, the Bedouin's heart is restless on this timeless, endless way. With his trusty steed beside him and a dagger by his side, he traverses dunes like mountains with the spirits as his guide. Each oasis a reminder of the life that ebbs and flows in the heart of barren beauty, the wild desert rose. Oh, the desert winds are calling through the canyons wide and deep, with the stories of the ancients and the silence secrets keep. Underneath the moon's soft glow, where the shadows dance and sway, the Bedouin's heart is restless on this timeless, endless way. Through the storms and the stillness, through the laughter and the tears, he carries all the memories of 1,000 distant years, with the sunset painting colors on the canvas of his soul. In the journey he discovers what it means to be whole. From the peaks of ancient mountains to the valleys down below, with every mile he travels, there's a new tale left to sow. In the songs of the horizon and the fire's gentle glow, the spirit of the Bedouin in the night, it starts to grow. Stories of the ancients in the silence secrets keep. Underneath the moon's soft glow, where the shadows dance and sway, the Bedouin's heart is restless on which timeless, endless way. So here's to the wanderers, to the paths that we have crossed, in the heart of every journey. There's no love that's ever lost, with the desert as his canvas and the stars to light his way. The Bedouin spirit lingers in the dawn of every day.